Hey, what's up guys, how you all doing? I'm Paul the Tech Giant and welcome back to the channel. Now if you own an LG OLED TV, then at some point you may have experienced that when you go to load up one of the inbuilt apps, such as Netflix, YouTube, so on and so forth, that when you've clicked on that app, all it does, it goes to the loading screen and won't go any further. Now you may have turned the TV on and off a couple of times hoping that will fix the problem, but still the problem persists. And this is exactly what happened to my missus the other day. She tried loading up YouTube, just got to the loading screen and would not go any further. But then I came to her rescue, and after a couple of simple button presses, I got her back up and running again. So if you're experiencing the same issue yourself, hopefully I can get you back up and running too. Now the first thing that's always worth checking is to make sure that you've got internet connection, and there is a couple of simple ways of doing this. Now the first one is just to see if any of the other apps are loading. If they are, then more than likely we have a problem with that individual app. And of course we've got the other obvious way of checking, and that's by grabbing our remote control, holding down on the settings button for a long press, going down to general, going then down to network, and there it will tell you if you are connected or not. So if you've now confirmed that the TV is connected to the internet, then the problem does lie with the app itself. So let's now see how we can resolve that issue. Now there are a few methods to get this sorted, and I'm just going to be using YouTube as an example, and you're going to have to use your imagination a bit because obviously it's working fine for me, but we're just going to pretend that it's actually stuck on the loading screen. So the first method is to grab your remote control, and we see a button here with 4 dots on it. So we're going to press on that once, and then we will see quit app. So we just need to click on that. And then if we click on YouTube again, it will now boot up fully and hopefully we'll be back up and running. Now if that method hasn't worked for you, then the next thing is to go back to the home menu, grab your remote control and just press the back button once. Now this brings up the recent app list. You can close the individual apps down, so highlight over it and click on the X button, but I will just simply go to close all, backing out of that again, going into YouTube. Once again, that will boot up from the main loading screen and hopefully get you back up and running. Now what I've done is, again, I've just loaded up a few apps. If I just show you there, so they're all sort of running in the background there. And what we need to do next is grab the remote control again, hold down on that settings button once again for a long press, then go down to support and then down to memory optimizer. So now I'm going to click on start. There we go, it's done. It says memory optimization has been completed. And if we just back out of that, press the back button again, we can see that that recent apps list has been cleared. Go into YouTube again, and fingers crossed that should resolve all your issues. So there we have it then guys, hopefully that's sorted you out, and if it has, do us a favour and please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you want to see more videos like this in the future, and hopefully I'll be catching you guys on the next one. Bye for now.